Hey love, welcome and welcome back, honey. Yes, welcome and welcome back. So yes, I have some goodies today. Look, I got my money savings challenge box. Yes, honey, my money box. Okay, if you haven't seen the video, of course, check it out right here. Okay, listen, this money savings box is everything. Okay, let me tell you about it. It is completely customizable. Okay, it is the cutest thing ever. For one, of course, duh. And look at this. It's got money signs all over it, and it is completely cash out. Okay, and wait, yes, the key entry. I told y'all, honey, look, you can cash out. Okay, it comes with two keys. All right, and then on the side you can also have your name put on it. Okay, of course, you know mine is Candy Dreams, period, boo. And up here at the top, you can write whatever you want, or you can have me to put anything that you want on top. So mine, of course, it says savings because this is my savings box. If you want this to be your savings box as well, you're more than welcome to, boo, honey. You can save for vacations. You can put vacation up there. You can put my house up there. You can put whatever you're saving for on the top up here. Okay, this is your gold box. Okay, your money savings box. Oh, and did I mention they do come in various colors? Okay, of course. And don't forget, they are available right now on the website. And of course, if you don't already have your Candy Dreams journal, what are you waiting for, honey? Yes, there's only a few left. Okay, and I'm not gonna keep telling you guys there's only a few left. Okay, so here's the money saving challenge. Like, if you don't necessarily have any idea in mind of something that you're saving for, here's a random money saving challenge that is located inside of the journal. Of course, I have several videos on ways that you can challenge yourself to save. Okay, all right, so you can pair them both together. You can get them both, or you can get one or the other, whichever one you would like. Okay, they're both available now at www.imcandydreams.com. And of course, you know I got a coupon code for you, boo. Okay, duh, yes, honey. So the coupon code that you can use to purchase either one, okay, either one, is money. Yes, use the code money for a $7 off coupon on either the journal or your money savings box. Thank you guys. I love you so much, and I cannot wait to continue to save with you guys and share all of the awesomeness with you all. Love you, babe. See you later.